see the baby move?
Sweetie.
Oh, she seems hot.
Yeah, she probably
I
is.
have to get her upstairs and change her out of this clothes.
Take her up. Oh,
Well, she
Lord.
was in that car seat too, which
Yeah,
I'm assuming.
but this is a thick.
Yeah, it's too warm.
It was cooler at the hospital,
No, they had air conditioning on.
but even waiting outside, it was cooler.
Oh, look at that sweet baby. That's cute right there. What's Mama got?
You can't have Dad.
What is that? What is that, Ro? Hey, what's Mama got? What all that hair?
She was working on another diaper change for you.